Tyler has the center console all done. Panel right there to fit on the side. Zach is making the paint beautiful. Getting out all the little dust marks. Wet sanding and then buffing. And he's having his little snack.
So I got this one in.
Oh, sure.
Under there.
To mount the chair to.
Yep.
Nice. Perfect little step there for you to do that.
Okay, priming the fuel system. And hopefully we're going to start this beast for the first time. Oh, the battery's going dead on my camera.
We ready?
Yeah, we are.
Okay, here we go.
Come on, baby. All right, Tyler and Zach been working their tails off. It is time to see if it starts. Made a few adjustments. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Sitting for quite a while. The lifter was ticking at us. That is gone. Tranny's where it's supposed to be. Oil pressure's where it's supposed to be. Running really smooth. Wonder if we're gonna go out and race it before the snow hits. Gauges are really cool. The actual volts now, Tyler, 11.5.
Oh yeah.
So there's some, so it's, the alternator's working, it's just not reading right. That is a nice note. I like these. Mellow, but I bet you if you get on them, they'll tell you you're there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Perfect. And there we go. First start, first run. There was a tick that bothered me. That is 100% gone. Just sat for so many months. It is looking really good now. Awesome. The guys did a beautiful job. Check out this paint. Zach has buffed this side. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Happy guy right here. I want to say thanks to Zach and Tyler for putting their everything in. Thing beautiful. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Nothing more I can say. Appreciate you guys. This will be a great one to go out the door.
What kind of fun are we doing today?
Trying to find out why the tach isn't working.
The what?
The tachometer
Oh.
doesn't work. So it's kind of confusing though, because this sends out a different signal than what this is programmed to receive.
Oh.
And they say in the instructions that we have to send this to them to fix it, to change it. So I didn't know if maybe there was a switch on here somewhere, so I pulled it out and I've been looking all over trying to see if there's anything.
Thought maybe, huh?
Yeah.
I had to come check it out. Do you know what you're doing? Are you learning?
I've done it twice.
Have you?
It takes a really long time.
Yeah.
That's why I didn't think it was really. It's probably smarter to have someone else do it.
Yeah. That is dark. Holy shit, huh? I guess that's the point. Are we having fun yet?
Oh yeah. I got that working.
Nice. I was so excited to see this when I came in. No more red. Not up there. It's red or black headliner. Yes.
The back door did not come closed. The hinges had an extremely small amount of play. I mean, extremely small amount. People have suggested that small amount is enough to have the door hold out an inch. So we have put all new pins and hinges, or all new pins in the hinges to take care of that problem. And hopefully that top door will suck in like it's supposed to be. If not, we'll have to do new hinges, which is...
I didn't think you could.
They don't make them. You have to buy somebody else's used hinge and hope you don't have the exact same problem as we have right now.
I know, right?
That bin, that screen is supposed to go back in? Huh? That screen is supposed to go up and into the...
No.
No.
Fucking says right in the description, will fold out of the way when you don't need it. Not the case?
No, it can come off.
Well,
It's just like that.
motherfucker.
It looks nice though.
Oh, let me read this to you. Here's the first sentence. Item description from the seller. When you don't need the big screen, it retracts neatly back inside your dash. First sentence.
Yeah, not so much.
Look at you go. You're gonna be a pro.
Yeah.
Zach put in the headliner today, and I want to give you guys some advice out there. The headliner that we used is from DB Engineering. This product is normally sold to John Deere, Case, other tractor manufacturers to quiet down inside of the tractor cabs. I literally found them by mistake. It is an awesome product for the headliner in this. We literally glued it in place and it looks perfect. 1/2-inch foam back. You can buy it wider also, but the product that we chose because of the size was 1/2-inch. Nice perforated, comes in black, gray, brown, a couple other colors. But anyway, DB Engineering. And they are not sponsoring us in any way. It's just a good product. Thought I'd tell you guys about it. Now, we have been using Gorilla Glue spray adhesive for a long time. Literally thought it was the bomb. And today, when I went in, this was running out. I went in to buy some other products, some more of that, and this was on it, next to it on the shelf. I gotta tell you, 3M's not sponsoring us in any way, but this stuff is much, much, much stronger than this. We literally sprayed it on, put a coat on the headliner, put a coat on the truck. With the Gorilla Glue, you'd put it up and it'd fall right down, put it up, and you'd have to hold it. You had to play with it a little bit. This stuff, put your hand up and it held the entire piece like nothing. So, we have also used this product from 3M. This is not as strong as this. So, the 3M High Strength 90, if you're putting in anything that needs to be glued in place, fabric, on seats, headliners, anything that needs to be glued in place, this stuff is awesome. So anyway, literally sprayed it on the headliner, let it sit for 5-6 minutes, went like this, and it ripped it right off the backing instead of separating where we glued it. Just awesome, awesome stuff. Anyway, the headliner's in. Zach did an awesome job on it, and looks nice and clean, and with the sound deadening material, should help the truck be quieter. Hey everybody, it's been a great day. A lot of the parts have been put together on the 66 Suburban. Hood is on, all the glass is in. The tinted limo glass is in. Looks awesome, takes the whole truck to a different look with the black two-tone. The limo tinted glass in there really makes it look slick. Anyway, we're coming along. This next step is color sanding. That'll start tomorrow. It's where we take all the little small dust that is in the paint. We literally sand it, and then we sand out any orange peel that there is, and then we buff it and make it like a glass surface. But we fitted the seats, filled up the radiator. Everything is just coming along great. Zach and Tyler are working their tails off. I appreciate them a lot. Anyway, if you like what you see, and you have something sitting in your garage that you have been waiting years and years and years, just haven't gotten around to it, pick up the phone, give us a call, send me an email, however works best. If you like the build, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. But anyway, the 1966 Suburban is coming together great. We appreciate you. Keep watching.